Hey everyone, welcome to my first video. This series is about my summer project and I'm going to rewrap my car. I recently got certified in vinyl wrapping this spring, so to show my portfolio better, I'm going to peel this wrap off and rewrap it in metal paint yellow from TinyBot. I did this wrap right now, which is in 3M satin gray around 2 years ago, just as a DIY project, and this was before I got certified, but I learned a lot. So this series, I think I'm going to show each panel individually, show the mistakes that happened as a DIYer, as a first timer, and I'm also going to show you the result afterwards, after I redo the panels. So start off with the hood. The hood itself was not great to begin with. It was an aftermarket carbon fiber hood. I bought it used secondhand, and there's already some parts of it that could be better. Like, I don't know if the light shows, but like some lacquer finishes on the hood itself. These could be sanded down further, so I'm gonna do a bit of that after. There was a stripe painted on the hood, and the thickness, someone used a Sharpie, and you can see the outline of that stripe in the middle, and you'll see it later when I peel this wrap off. But I'm going to address all these issues if I can before I apply the new color on. Same thing about the top coating, clear coat edges. I'm going to sand all that down this time around, and from above it looks okay, but I'm going to lift the hood now and show you some mistakes that happened. So as a fiberglass and carbon fiber hood, these are actually really thick. You can see how much thicker it is compared to a regular hood panel, which is a lot thinner in metal. And to prevent failure, because the surface adhesion on the matte finish below it isn't that strong, I wanted to prevent failure, so I stuffed as much as I could under the hood, and you can really see all the fingers and wrinkles. But now that I know it's not going to fail catastrophically, I'm going to tone it back down when I install the new color. So that side was a bit worse, and this side is kind of the same. And the fit and finish of the hood isn't that great either to begin with, and you can see even on the fender it rubs against the fender, so all these marks. Hey guys, real quick, I just wanted to show you what happens when you have a panel that was painted poorly or not completely painted. And you can see when you peel a wrap, it will lift a paint job right at the edge. And also on an unfinished panel as well. Like, this wasn't primed beneath because most companies don't. And this is just one of those risks when you peel vinyl off a panel. Okay, so I'm around halfway through removing the wrap on this hood. Now I can show you guys what I meant by Sharpie. For some reason the paint job, or the paint shop rather, used Sharpie to mask the stripe to expose the carbon fiber hood. Again, this hood is secondhand and my car's originally black, but I didn't care because it was a good deal. So before I wrap the yellow, I'm gonna sand all this down. Hopefully it doesn't show in the next wrap job. And also you can see my previous repairs too. Like, it came pretty dented. I epoxied some surfaces. I'm not gonna polish it. I'd rather in the future sand all the paint off and expose a full carbon fiber hood. Okay guys, sorry about that. My camera died while we were wrapping the car, so this is the next day. I finished the corners and wrapping the film under the hood and trimming and post heating. So this is what it looks like overall from the top. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Still a lot to learn, lots of practice. This is the first time using calendared film, which is what this is. And obviously you could see in the process video that, you know, the approach isn't the greatest. I was also letting my friend practice on my car, since what other opportunity do we have? So a few of the trimming could have been a bit better. Again, this hood is so thick that in the corners I just did a lot of cut and fold techniques, because there was just so much thickness. I couldn't wrap it around like a simple panel corner, so there's still a lot of wrinkles beneath that, more than I would like to see. But this time, compared to the first film, I trimmed closer to the edge to try and hide a lot of that. And with this car and this hood, I'm a bit less worried about things and just trying to do what I can. So overall, pretty happy with how it turned out, and I'm gonna move on. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for following me on my journey. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.